What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Realme Band fitness tracker. We will talk about all of its specs, features, design, pros and cons. So let's start it. Inside the retail box of Realme Band, you will find the fitness tracker and just a quick start guide. Talking about the design, it is slightly different compared to other fitness trackers because of the curved design, and these metallic strips at the end of the screen give a premium look to Realme Band fitness tracker. It's very lightweight, so you can wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. The silicone band is quite comfortable as well. On the back of the fitness tracker you will find the heart rate monitoring sensor along with other sensors, and the strap is detachable, but removing it is a difficult task and it takes a bit of effort for sure. But the good part is that because of these tight grip and seal caused by this silicone strap, the device is totally waterproof, and this is the part that you connect with your laptop or charger to charge the Realme Band. The other strap can be removed as well, so if you want you can change your strap whenever you want very easily. We got a 0.96-inch color display. The brightness of Realme Band screen is good enough to use indoors or in shadows, but if you go into the bright sunlight, then it's very hard to look at the display and find what exactly you are looking at. So it would be nice if the brightness was a bit high on Realme Band. And we got a good amount of bezel all around the screen as well. Right below the screen there is multifunctional capacitive touch button that you can use to navigate between the options that we got on Realme Band here. And if you want to enter any of these options to use them, then you have to just long press the capacitive key and then you will go inside that particular function, and then you can get all of the information you are looking for. Now talking about the functionality and features, you will have to use the Realme Link application that will provide you detailed information regarding your physical activities, your daily stat regarding your fitness and physical activities, and you can also get information regarding your maximum, minimum, average heart rate and under which heart rate zone your heart rate was for how much duration. It also provides data regarding your sleep information that you can monitor to improve your sleeping habit and pattern. Under the exercise log, you will get all of the information regarding your physical activities and exercises that you have performed using the Realme Band. And if you go to the settings, here you will find the options and features that you can use on your Realme Band. So the very first one is the watch faces, and as you can see that we got just 5 watch faces. So if you want, you can select any of these 5 watch faces that we got on the Realme Link app, but as you can see that we don't have the option to add additional watch faces on the Realme Band, and these 5 watch faces are not that great. Any of these watch faces do not provide so much information on the watch face itself, so personally I will just prefer to go with the default one. And then we got the option to turn on the call reminders, get notification for predefined applications, or you can go to other section and select more applications for which you would like to get the notification on Realme Band. The notification that comes on the screen is very small, and then you can set up the reminder, alarm. The alarm application will appear on Realme Band only if you turn it on from here, and then you can turn on the water reminder, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, DND. Now talking about the exercise mode, we got 3 exercise mode appearing on the screen of our Realme Band. So at a time we can have only 3 different kinds of exercise mode on the Realme Band, and if you want to add another one, then you will have to use the Realme Link application, and from here you can add another one. But as you can see that at a time you can select only 3. So if you want to add, for example, cycling instead of cricket, so you will have to remove it from the device first and then you can add cycling. So because of the small memory, it can support only 3 exercise mode at a time on the Realme Band here. We got total 9 different exercise mode, and they cover pretty much all of these basic physical activities, so it's still good. And then we got the race to wake feature. Auto detect exercise is there as well. If you turn it on, then Realme Band will be able to detect once you start doing walking or running by itself if you forget to turn on the exercise on the band. and under the custom functions, you will find the option to get the weather information, stopwatch, music playback control, and the find phone. As you can see that once again at a time we can select only 2 of them. So once again this is the limitation of Realme Band because of the low memory, that at a time it can support only 2 custom functions and 3 exercise mode. So you will have to compromise here and you will have to sacrifice the features and functionality that we got on this device. And if you want, you can even use the screen rotation to rotate the screen, but I'm not sure who is going to use it because once you wear the fitness tracker on your wrist, looking at the screen in this orientation is not comfortable and productive for sure. The battery life of Realme Band is quite impressive. Realme officially claims that it can survive 7 to 10 days using the heart rate monitoring. I used it with heart rate monitoring turned on 24/7 at the interval of 5 minutes, and it survived nearly for 9 days. So the claim of Realme is quite good and the battery performance of Realme Band is really nice for sure. Overall, Realme Band is a nice fitness tracker. The design is good, it looks beautiful, it is very lightweight, you can wear it 24/7, it is waterproof. The 0.96 inch screen is good as a fitness tracker. The watch faces are not that great. In terms of features and functionality, we got all standard and popular features of fitness tracker. The only drawback is that the memory is a bit low on Realme Band, and because of that we got the limitation like to use only 2 custom functions at a time, or we can have only 3 exercise mode on Realme Band. The Realme Link app is quite nice and it provides lots of information regarding your physical activities, sleeping pattern, heart rate data, and using this you can customize the experience on your Realme Band. So if you are looking forward to buy a fitness tracker, then Realme Band is a nice option for sure considering its design, build quality, features and performance. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.